Hey, this is Vigneshwar, and in this video I would like to share you about Maternity Benefit Act 1961. Maternity benefit is a benefit provided to a woman who is working in a firm or a company or in a factories or an establishment or any working places. She will get a maternity benefits at the time of his pregnancy period. She will get this maternity benefit. Mandatory to a company to provide a maternity benefit to each and every woman at the time of their pregnancy who all are working in their companies. At the time of pregnancy, women at the time of pregnancy can get a leave, maternity leave, and with paid. She can get a leave with paid wages, and not only paid wages, and she will get many allowances like she can't work for a long time, and as well as she can't stand for a long time, and she won't be allowed to work in a heavy hazardous companies. So these all are the allowances woman can approach when she is at the time of his pregnancy, and she can obtain his maternity benefit through submitting a notice to his company regarding his date of his delivery. Maternity benefit will be given to the woman before and after the birth of a child, even though if the pregnancy is miscarriage, and that time also the maternity benefit amount will be given. If a woman is getting a maternity leave, she must work in a company not less than 80 days within 12 months. Maternity Benefit Act Amendment Act 2017, she can get a leave 8 weeks before the childbirth, and 26 weeks after the childbirth. So by this video I would like to share you about what is maternity benefit. Thank you for watching this video.